Kaugnay sa nasabing balita, natuldukan na rin ang ilang dekada na insurhensya sa lalawigan ng Kalinga. Probinsya idineklara na ring insurgency-free. Karagdagang detalye mula kay Iril Siknao.
Opisyal nang idineklara ang lalawigan ng Kalinga sa ilalim ng State of Stable Internal Peace and Security o SSIPS. Ito ay nangangahulugan na ang probinsya ay ligtas, payapa at malaya na sa impluwensya ng mga communist terrorist group. Nakaangkla ang makasaysayang deklarasyon sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan Resolution No. 2026-023 na nagsasaad na nakamit na ng Kalinga ang generally peaceful at stable condition batay sa assessment ng mga otoridad. Tampok sa deklarasyon na ginanap sa Kalinga Sports Center nitong May 12, 2026, ang unveiling ng mga SSIPS seal ng pamalaang panlalawigan at ng city at municipal local government units. Pinuri naman ng Department of Interior and Local Government o DILG ang tagumpay na ito. Nangako ang ahensya ng kanilang buong suporta para mapanatili ang pangmatagalang kapayapaan at tuloy-tuloy na pag-unlad sa lalawigan.
This recognition reflects years of steady work on the ground, consistent efforts to bring stability even to the most remote communities, and a commitment that has allowed families to feel safer and communities to move forward.
The DILG remains steadfast, not only in supporting our LGUs, but also as a committed partner in advancing coordinated efforts that uphold lasting and positive peace.
Ayon naman sa Philippine Army, ang deklarasyon ay turning point para sa pag-unlad ng probinsya. Pagpupugay rin umano ito sa alaala ng mga lumaban kontra insurhensiya.
The state of stable internal peace and security is more than a security term. It is a green light for comprehensive development. It signals to investors, to business leaders, to tourists, and to our own people that Kalinga is safe. Safe to invest, safe to visit, safe to build, and safe to dream.
Many soldiers fought here, many bled, and many of our brave military personnel paid the ultimate sacrifice on the soil of Kalinga. And today, as we gather in this ceremony, we honor them. Their sacrifices were not in vain. Because today, the province of Kalinga, they fought to protect now, stands before the nations as peaceful, stable, and progressive toward a brighter future.
Sa pangunguna ni Governor James Edtuba, lumagda ang mga lokal na opisyal at mga stakeholders sa isang pledge of commitment para protektahan ang kapayapaan sa Kalinga.
We commit ourselves to remain united in strengthening good governance, promoting inclusive development, creating opportunities for our people, and ensuring that future generations will inherit a province that is safe, progressive, and peaceful.
Kaugnay ng deklarasyon ng SSIPS, formal nang inilipat ang pangunahing responsibilidad ng internal security operations mula sa kasundaluhan patungo sa pulisya.
Your cooperation, trust, and active participation are the strongest foundation of stability. With your help, we can prevent crime, resolve conflicts, and build safer communities where families can live without fear.
The AFP, the primary responsibility when it comes to internal peace, the DNP, I would like to give our assurance that we will do our best to utilize fully our resources for the maintenance of the gains that we have achieved.
Iril Siknao mula sa PIA Kalinga para sa PIA News Cordillera.